Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Jackie Empowers Ngomesia, coming to you from Orlando, the beautiful. And in this video, I will personally be inviting you to join our LurraLife team, the Team Dominion, LurraLife Team Dominion. The LurraLife company and products are changing lives around the world, and especially in Africa, where I come from. Are you ready for a change, Africa? Are you ready? You can make a great part-time or full-time income at your spare time with LurraLife. You don't have to stop what you're doing. You don't have to quit your job. Nothing like that. If you can allocate 2 hours a day to do your LurraLife business in Africa, you can make it. No experience is needed or required to get started. Just come as you are. We do have team trainings from great leaders in the team and in the company. Again, no experience is required or needed. Now, like I said, there is plenty of help. There is great leadership. We have meetings almost every day. There will be some kind of meeting. We will teach you how to sell online and offline. We will also teach you how to recruit online and offline. And the company also has a lot of training materials, tutorials that will help you take your business to the next level. Are you ready to get started today? Yes, you can join us for free if you want to get started and lock your spot as we are about to launch. Get back with me. My link is in the description box, my email, my Facebook contact information, and just tell me, Jackie, I am ready to get started with LurraLife today. You're welcome, and I will see you in the inside. God bless you. Bye-bye.